Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Andrea Mason, your personal accountability coach, as well as an alumna of Dr. Les Brown. Well, it is a little brisk as the sun is setting and the temperatures are dropping, but I wanted to come to you first and foremost to see how you're doing. Today was a good day, got a lot accomplished, set the week out to plan and schedule upcoming events. I want to ask you, how do you set your day? Do you set your day and agenda week by week, month, annually, or as it comes? And I want you to know that there is many different ways to set out your schedule, set your goals and achievements. And I believe the best way is with passion. And I want you to remind yourself that when you have tasks at hand, first prioritize as far as significance and importance. Then secondly, what I encourage people as I walk the journey with them, to do the most difficulty tasks first and then end with the simple ones. Today was a Cinderella day for me as I had got our home in order for the upcoming week after an extended long weekend. And it's just rewarding when you have that checklist set, your serenity space, everything in order. Your calendars are synced with your families and your network, as well as making sure you have your to-do list in place. And I want to remind you that in some of my videos I have shared with you to make sure that you're saying yes to you first and not yes to others, because we have the tendency to always put the blame game that we are helping others and we are not achieving what we have to do. It is important that we are at our best self, mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually, as well as balance. That's what the key point is. Because if your emotions are chaotic, if your space is chaotic, it is difficult for you to put your life in order. And that is what makes you successful, making sure that you're organized. Even when it comes to scheduling, when it comes to your outfits for the week, when it comes to your appointments, when it comes to making medical appointments, wellness appointments for yourself, making sure your family's intact, making sure your errands are of importance as priority. Sometimes we don't like doing things, but we must learn how to track our progress, because when we accomplish that checklist and crossed out, it's a sign of achievement, and you have energy and appreciation for dedicating and finish. For those of you who don't already know, my big key word for this year, for 2023, is finish. Make sure you have those checklists in order so you can look back and smile of all the achievements and accomplishments, not by year, not by month, not by week, not by day, but every single moment. And enjoy life, and remember that you have the choice, the right, and the ability to press play. Plan life according to you. So a few key tips to get your life in order, to get successful, and to bring it to the next level. Number 1, create a list of priorities. Number 2, create a list. As you're creating the list, make sure you categorize it. And then make sure you have a checklist to check it off. And then look back and smile. And a sign of achievement and awards that you were able to finish. Should you look for or seek a deeper dive into key tips on how to hold yourself accountable, how to be responsible, and get to the next level, I welcome you to connect with me, and let's get it done. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. If you know somebody that has a million projects that are started but not yet finished, I welcome them to connect with me so we can get it finished. Thank you so much. And check out my link, AndreaMasons.com, to learn more of the Jacqueline of trades that I provide to help you get to the next level. In this crazy game of life, remember, you have a choice, a right, and a free will decision always to press play. Plan life according to you. Be safe, be well, and I'll see you in the next video.